Welcome friend. In this new video, here we see how to find the inverse Laplace transform of the derivatives. The notation of standard formula to find the inverse Laplace transform L inverse of d by ds of f of s is equal to minus t into f of t. So minus t into what is f of t? This is L inverse of f of s. So from this, if we transfer this t to that side, we get that L inverse of f of s equal to minus 1 divided by t L inverse of d by ds of f of s. So we can apply this formula to find the inverse Laplace transform of this f of s. So wherever we do not have a standard form of the f of s, then in that case we can apply this derivative form of the inverse Laplace transforms. So it will be cleared by taking example. Let us find the L inverse of tan inverse of 1 divided by s. Now friend, you can see that we do not have any standard formula to find the inverse of Laplace inverse of this tan inverse. In that case, we can apply this formula, and so we have what we have to do. We have to just divide by t minus 1 by t, and this will be L inverse of d by ds. We have to take derivative of the function f of s, tan inverse of 1 divided by s. So this is equal to minus 1 by t into L inverse of, what is the tan inverse? 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by s whole square into derivative of 1 by s minus 1 divided by s whole square equal to minus 1 divided by t into L inverse of 1 divided by, let us simplify this, s square plus 1 divided by s square into minus 1 divided by s square get cancel, and this minus will be plus. So we have 1 divided by t into L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus 1. So you can see that how this function is converted into a simple standard formula of Laplace inverse. Whenever the function is very complicated, we can apply this technique. Okay, so this is 1 divided by t, and this is a standard formula of sine of t, and we get a simple answer of this as L inverse of L inverse of Laplace inverse of tan inverse of 1 by s is equal to sine t divided by t. This is one example. Let us see one more example. Here L inverse of log of s square minus 1 divided by s square. Now we do not have again a standard formula to find logarithmic Laplace transform. So here we multiply and we divide by minus 1 by minus t, and we take a derivative of this term d by ds of log of this term. Okay, so we write it as log of s square minus 1 minus log of s square. Again simplification, minus 1 by t into L inverse of derivative of this log of s square is 1 divided by s square minus 1 into derivative of s square, that is 2s, minus 1 divided by s square into derivative of s square is 2s. Okay, so we can take 2 common, equal to minus 1 divided by t into L inverse of s, 2 common, s divided by s square minus 1 and minus 1 divided by s. Okay, so minus 2 divided by t into, this is the standard formula, which is cos h of t, cos hyperbolic of t, and this is minus 1. Okay, so you can see how very by simple by easy step we have reached the answer, finally obtain the answer. So this is a very simple technique to find the inverse Laplace transforms of the derivative. Now let us see one more example of this form. Again, very simple example. The term will be converted into very simple form. L inverse of cot inverse of 1 plus s. And friend, you know we do not have a standard formula, so we write it as minus 1 by t into L inverse of d by ds of cot inverse of 1 plus s equal to minus 1 by t into, what is derivative? L inverse of minus 1 divided by 1 plus s whole square equal to, you can see that minus minus will be plus, and here we get 1 divided by t, L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. Okay, now we apply the first shifting property. This is 1 divided by t e raised to this is minus t, and L inverse of 1 divided by a square plus 1. Again a square plus 1, a square plus a square is a standard form of sine at. So this is e raised to minus t divided by t into sine of t. Here we have applied the first shifting property, and then what is a equal to 1. So this will be converted, and hence we have here we have multiplied by e raised to minus at, and therefore we have removed here s a from this step, s plus 1. Okay, and then this is the standard formula of sine at, and you can see we have see how we can find the inverse Laplace transform of the function by using its derivative. Thank you, friend.